What's up, YouTuber? Welcome back to Cassans TV, guys. I am super excited to take you guys on a little tour of my room here at the Ocean Coral Spring here in Falmouth, Jamaica. Guys, come on this journey with me. I know that you guys will be loving this. Whether you are planning on staying or you're just curious, you are going to love, love, love. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's go. So hey guys, so this is a tour of the room. Right, so in the room you'll have first, this is the doorway here and here. So when you enter, you'll have a closet in here. I already packed some stuff in already. So let's get in. So the closet space. After the closet you'll have like a little, you know, tea area, like coffee and stuff like that there. Also you have a little space under here with your fridge and storage. If you have your what to store right there, or maybe you're walking around with $1 million and you want to store it, it's right, you can store it there. Right, so okay guys, so to the left we have the bathroom here, and you have the toilet bowl and stuff like that. You have the telephone that you can make calls and stuff like that. I love the painting on the wall. I always love painting. That's how I treat or something like that. And there's a door so you can get a little privacy, if you're not alone. Also, you have the standing shower in here. You have the standing shower. And I love this because you have one facet above, so that gives you the rain. Yes, I will turn that on in a bit. And also there's another one below, so it still give you like a rain kind of vibes, but a good vibes because the water is very heavy, and I love that. Because we live in a hotel and the water is heavy. So I love that, the pressure of the water. So yes, I love that. In here you can find the conditioner and no, shampoo, and also your shower gel. Yeah, and I like that little area level. They put the lights in that little section there, and I love the tile here. It's different. Right, so that's the standing shower right there. Let me turn this on a bit. So that's the rain right there. That's called the rain. So yeah, I love that. And it's hot and cold water. So if you love your water cold, you'll get it. And if you love it hot, you'll get it also. Alright, so that's for that there. Also, you have on the section here, you have a mirror on the wall. And also your blow dryer, because you've been going to the pool or the river or the sea. You know what, my country girl, I love river. Also you have your little paper towel there. Here you have your hand soap, your lotion here, and then that's the vanity right there. All right. Also, they give rag, and your towels are below. Love that. Love the towels. Love that. And in this bathroom, you can find your jacuzzi. Yes, so later on you can bubble, 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 and get something drink or eat some chocolate later or something. But you cannot, enjoy the moment. You're here to enjoy it, enjoy it. So when you come, enjoy everything. All right, and I love the tile again, and so that's the bathroom. All right, so let's go to the room. Okay, so before I reach the bed where the bed is, there's also a little space in here. There's a lot of storage, and I love that about this room. A lot of storage space. So in here you have storage again, and they give you like if you want to clean your shoe or something, and I think needle and thread just in case. And then there's another storage right here. We have stuff packed out in there already, and extra pillow, extra blanket, and stuff like that. So I love that about that. I forgot to show you guys in the bathroom. So you have your shower cap and yeah, yeah, things like these in here also. Okay, it's all inclusive. So you don't get all those things. I love that about it. Let's go to the bedroom now. Alright, so in the bedroom you'll find the bed, and that's a nice bed right there. It's king size because may I be enjoying myself and we love king size, love big bed for roll over and all of these things and so forth. So on you have two bedside little table there, one on the left, one on the right. That, and I love this little thing here that they put the in front of the bed. I love that. I always love that. Always, always love it. That style there. And sometimes, you come to hotel, you can get ideas who or you can set up your own house. Alright, here you have the map of Jamaica. You can find where you're from or the parishes that you need to visit. Alright. On this section now to my right, you have the TV. Hi everybody. And then here's another storage. You can store a little stuff here. So a lot of storage. I love this. Sometimes persons come here for a week, months. You can store things. Some persons love to pack out because they don't really want to live in their suitcase while they're on vacation, right? So they love to pack things out. However, I'm not doing that because I would have to pack them back in, but that's me. But I pack some stuff out, but not everything. Yeah. So, yeah, you house all these little benches here. You can put your suitcase on like that. If there's a name for it, you can leave it in the comment section if you know. Because they have names for everything, right? Alright, so I call it bench table, something like that for suitcase. Alright, so let's continue. We're not done it. Alright, so also there's a fan, as you guys may see. There's a fan in the room, and also there's AC. Alright, so that's the entrance there. It's very big. Alright, what I like about this is the space here. You also have like a little office space right there. So my stuff is packed out because I did a program this morning. So I had things out. And then they have a little bin. So you have an office space. Then I love this little center table there. It's a giving. And then you have this little um what's it called again? Because you can pull out, it's like a sofa, but you can pull it out and it's like it's a bed, right? And then you have this mirror. Oh my goodness, guys, I love big mirrors. There's another one up top, but I didn't get to show you guys that one. But look at this mirror. Just take a little bit a minute and just check this mirror out. This mirror is giving. I'm telling you, I love big mirrors. Yeah, so that's the mirror on the wall, and I love the design of the mirror. So, and then you have this little um side light thingy here. I love that. Right? So that's a tour of the room overall, and I would say I will give this room a 10 out of 10, to be honest with you. The only thing is that, yeah, I will give it a 10 out of 10 because I don't have any complaint at all. This room is amazing. It's have everything. I don't think there's anything that is missing. I've been to many hotels before, and and there's nothing that is missing. There's nothing I can say that, I saw it somewhere else and I don't get it here. So it's just like it's a good package. So you guys are doing a fantastic job. To whoever came up with this design, the design is good, feels homely, it feels good. It feels like Jamaica. It feels like Jamaica, but still it gives you that nice vibe. So I really love that about it. Right. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, for subscribing, guys. I really want to make it up to 1,000 1,000 subscribers very, very soon. And I know that you guys will help me to get there. Please help me subscribe to this channel, like up this video, and I will do like a quick video of the hotel, the dining area and stuff like that if I get the chance, because I don't really want to be on my phone, on this vacation. I really want to enjoy my husband, but I'll do as the best that I can do. All right, don't mind me. Remember, naturally I do it. So I'm rocking it because my husband told me to not do my hair, so I'm rocking my natural hair. Oh yeah, guys, wait a minute. I'm not doing it. Wait, just a minute. On the outside here, my husband is out here relaxing himself. On the outside here, I love this glass door feel. I love it. I love it. And this hammock. What is his name again, hon? Hammock. Hmm? Hmm? Guys, me want to talk. Alright, so today, but he doesn't want to say a thing in this video. However, he loves this. He loves it. I'm gonna show you a video of him in it. He's just relaxing and everything. But now he's just here sitting down, chilling, right, looking over the ocean and just over bush. I don't know what else they will do over there, but this is the view that we got, and we don't mind it. We don't mind it at all because we are above. We are on the fourth floor, and we have views here, to the left, to the right. View. So we're in a bad. It's like a garden view. And I love the shape of that. You can see it's L, so it stands for my last name. I love that. I love how they cut the the plant out there. I like it. Right, guys, so thanks again for watching, and that's your view, guys. What are you waiting on? But no, remember, no, this is not a paid video. That's all. I'm just doing this. This is my view of the hotel, and it is just fantastic. All right, so blessings, blessings, blessings.
Never you, never you, never you,